AMAN industry. And first, let's visit our blow molding workshop.
AMAN is a professional company that has been reaching and producing extrusion blow molding machines and their products since 2007. Our company currently mainly produces AMB, AMY, AMG 3 categories, more than 20 specifications of fully automatic hollow blow molding machines. We also can produce specifications of hollow blow molding machines according to customers' requirements. 10 ml to 100 liter bottles, barriers, boxes, car accessories, and other specifications and hollow products suitable for various raw materials. Our company has established a comprehensive quality assurance system for the entire process of research and development, production, sales, and service. And we also export to Russia, Singapore, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and many other countries. Here is our raw material workshop. Let's take a closer look at some more details. Now we are going to visit another workshop. Our factory is equipped with the latest technology, from computer-controlled assembly lines to advanced testing equipment. We constantly invest in research and development and keep in forefront of the industry.
Now let's visit our spare parts warehouse. And here are some of our samples.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.